Hello, have a good day. My name is Sofia Flores, and with partner Denny Ordóñez, we will talk about animal feed. We start. We can see in the image the different animal. We continue with cattle feed. We can see in the image the cow. We continue with forage. They are the most important part of the diet, but in volume in the nutrient supply. Forage are a source of fiber, which is one of the basic components for ruminant digestion to well. In addition, it provides in protein, energy, vitamins, water, and minerals. Um, we can see in the image the forage. We continue the concentrate. Feed concentrate for fattening cattle that be mixed with grains, forage, and cane molasses. The starter feed is offered the first 15 days after the animals arrive at feedlot. During this period, you can offer dried alfalfa and oat forage for a quick recovery of your animals. We can see in the image the concentrate. We continue with the nutritional blocks. It constitutes a technology for the manufacture of solid feed for cattle and that contains a high concentration of energy, proteins, and minerals. The ingredients dried sprout, peto or portal leaf, dry glass, alfalfa, ground corn cob, corn cover, ground corn, flour, molasses, lime, cement, among others. The recommendations about animals for 2 hours the first day, increased by 2 hours each day until reaching 24 hours. We continue with silage. We can say the image the silage. The silage is forage conservation process where through the fine chopping of the forage and compactation, anaerobic conditions are created and lactic fermentation of pasture begins in the microorganisms to take the sugar from the material to be enzymed and transformation them into lactic acid. I can say that adequate animal feed is very important for their growth.